Righto, so I have installed the elastic there. It is supposed to significantly create ruching, and as you can see it has barely created anything. And yeah, I've never had that issue before, so if you guys can give me any tips and tricks, please let me know. Yeah, so a little bit of a fail there until I can get my head around why it hasn't, you know, bunched up and ruched as much as it should. Righto guys, so it very rarely happens, but it does happen. So real life, yes, I bent something, and my trick simply is, if you have laundry powder, just sprinkle that in. Just put a little bit of water just to level the bottom there, and that's pretty much it. Leave it, and then with a fork or something, if it's obviously non-stick then just be careful, but this is just a metal pot, just give it a little gentle scrape to see if it just comes away easily. If it is, then you know that your regular dishcloth will be able to take the burn away in seconds. So yeah, no scrubbing, literally just sprinkle the powder and let it do its thing. It's all the enzymes in there, and yeah, magic trick. And Karen from So Little Time, she had mentioned about the vinegar that I use in the kettle, and when she commented and I commented back, I was saying about the trick with burnt pots. So Karen, this one's for you if you're watching, but I guess you already know this anyway. So yeah, just a simple basic trick. Let me know if you do this. Right, it's about half hour later, and just gonna scrape. You can see, look, I'm barely doing anything and all those bits are coming off. So just give that a rub over with the fork. I'll show you here, look, it's coming away just like magic. There we go, so that's half, and that's the one you get to just take off. So yeah, great magic trick. There we go, the great reveal. So lovely and shiny. It's hardly a revelation. I know you guys probably know this little trick, but laundry powder is fantastic. Fantastic for cleaning the bathtub, anything like that, sinks, dunnies, yeah, phenomenal. Even mopping floors. Lit another fire this evening, and guess who's in front of there? 3 of the 9 furry friends. So we got Honeycomb, Emma and Lucy. Oh, here comes Tiger. Yep, behind me is Pretty. Yeah, so these guys are going to be cozied up tonight. I don't think they're going to be out in the garden for very long. Righto guys, I am going to say see you tomorrow now, and whatever you guys are up to, have a good time, stay safe, and yeah, see you tomorrow.